Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a question that confuses many traders. Which is better, intraday trading or options trading? Let's break it down and find out. Intraday trading. First, let's understand intraday trading. Intraday traders buy and sell stocks within the same trading day, aiming to profit from short-term price movements. It can be fast-paced and requires constant monitoring of the market. Options trading. On the other hand, we have options trading. Options are financial contracts that give you the right, but not the obligation, to buy or sell an asset at a specified price within a set time frame. Options can offer leverage and flexibility. Risk and reward. When comparing the two, it's essential to consider risk and reward. Intraday trading can provide quick gains, but it also carries a higher risk of losses due to market volatility. Options trading allows you to limit potential losses to the premium paid for the option but can offer substantial profits. Strategies. Intraday trading relies on technical analysis, chart patterns, and market trends. Options trading involves various strategies, including covered calls, protective puts, and straddles. Each has its own risk and reward profile. Time commitment. Intraday trading demands constant attention during trading hours, which can be challenging for those with full-time jobs. Options trading can be more flexible, as you can set longer expiration dates. Bonus point, diversification. Bonus point, a crucial aspect often overlooked is diversification. Combining both intraday and options trading in your portfolio can help spread risk. It allows you to benefit from short-term price movements and long-term strategies simultaneously. So, which is better, intraday trading or options trading? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Your choice should align with your risk tolerance, time commitment, and financial goals. Many traders use a combination of both to diversify their trading strategies. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more insightful content on finance and trading. Remember, the key to success is to choose the approach that suits your unique circumstances and continuously improve your skills. Happy trading!